Come on. Hey, there you go. There you go. Come on.
2, 3. It'll be last.
There you go, buddy. Come on.
You give him some yet?
Yeah, I gave him one. Got some response. Come on. Come on.
Narcan applied.
Hey, come on.
Let's give him more. Here.
Try other nostril.
Here?
Other nostril.
Okay. Robert, breathe. Hey, breathe, breathe, breathe. You breathe? You breathe for me? How's he doing? Do we need to do some CPR?
He wasn't breathing and then he responded after the first one.
Pretty faint pulse. Let's give him some CPR until they get here. Let's just do some compressions. You got it?
Come on. There you go.
Come on. Wake up.
They're like, hold on up.
Wake up.
There you go.
I'm aware, not X. Let's keep going. I'll do more. And we're starting chest compressions.
Come on.
Come on.
There you go.
3 doses Narcan applied.
There you go. Come on.
Come on, wake up. Wake up. Breathe for me, buddy. Breathe. Wake up for me. Let's give him some more. Sorry. Doing good. Come on, wake up, bud. Wake up. Gotta breathe for me, buddy. Come on, breathe for me. He's not going enough on his own. I think keep going. Let me know if you want to switch positions at all.
Yep. Likewise.
We'll get like 2 breaths out of him, and then he'll stop again. There you go. Come on, wake up. You hear me?
Come on.
We've got 3 doses in. We can give him another if we want. You want to grab another one? Come on, wake up.
There you go. Come on.
I would keep him going for now until if he's not going to breathe on his own.
Just close his mouth.
Yeah, here, let's go this way. Yeah, keep pumping him because that'll keep it moving in there, hopefully.
Just one shot.
Well, that's 4.
I've done both of mine.
Yep.
I have more. I think.
4th Narcan's been
You might
deployed.
have to look for it.
There's probably more in there's more in that box too,
Come on, bro.
but I don't know how much.
Come on.
Is more Narcan at this point going to change anything?
Come on.
We can. Come on, there you go. Breathe for me. Breathe for me.
Come on. Let's help him breathe on
Breathe in.
Which one's that?
The problem is he gets like 2 breaths in and then he stops. Can you breathe for me?
Come on, Bubba.
I think we got to keep going
Yep.
with compressions. I'll keep
All right.
going.
You good?
Hey, can you wake up?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, can you breathe?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. We've been doing CPR on you, buddy. Okay. You don't need to move, but I need you to keep breathing and stay awake.
You're not in any trouble.
Okay.
All right.
Yep. Just stay awake for me, okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna try to sit you up, okay?
All right.
Okay. But just right against the wall. Sit right back here, okay? There you go. Right there.
Any weapons on?
No.
Yeah, I'm just going to patch it down.
All right.
You're not in trouble. Stay
Yep.
away.
Right between 7-Eleven, Jack in the Box.
Okay.
Okay. Just relax.
Just relax, bro. Take deep breaths, man. Deep breaths. You got to clear all that shit out of your system.
Yeah.
Breathe.
Yeah.
Follow me. Breathe. Come on, keep going, keep going. You got to stay awake. Deep breaths. A lot of breaths. Deep breaths.
Yeah.
All right?
So,
Do you know where you're at?
Everett.